So I feel like a complete fucking dope. I was just doing some gameplay, and like I got probably 10 minutes into it. Got to have the goddamn audio on. So I'm scrapping my previous episode. I got all the way. I'm gonna go back all the way to level 1 and start over, and we'll make it back there, no problem. But I'm gonna continue on. This game's so fucking cute. It's like, oh my god, this penguins, they're so cute, and they've got fuses sticking out of their head because they're bombs. Isn't that awesome? Okay, let's destroy these bastards. Arm the squad. God damn it. These guys are awesome. And the best part about it is, like, it's cute animals. They go boom, and I get points for going boom. Well, like when they get armed, they get all like serious. Where's the crocodiles? I know there's crocodiles that arise at some point in time in this game. So far, I've gotten to like crocodiles and to monkeys and the penguins. They're all fucking adorable. I just kind of feel bad because the penguins, they go boom. They're like trying to protect their egg from this ass. Just go ahead and take care of this motherfucker right here. Yeah. Next level. So we have to protect from that rat bastard and get all these guys. So I've gotten 5. By the way, they move really slow, so it's not like a rush or anything. I like going faster because that's always better. Let's arm the squad. We're going in for attack. This level's kind of tricky because like there's 2 of them and they're actually moving a little bit faster than expected. So let's gather up. Their fuses get lit when they get near those bastards, by the way. I don't know if you leave the fuse lit, will they blow up or what have you, but I don't think I want to find out. I kind of like just going in when I have everyone and just lighting that squad. Protection. By the way, as far as the hatchery, like, of course there's an egg here and it's like moving around. Oh, this is where the crocodile comes in. There's a hatchery because, of course, you are defending an egg in which, at some point in time, I'm assuming you get to hatch an egg, hence the hatchery. But I don't know what it hatches into. Like, I know crocodiles, they hatch eggs, and I know penguins, they hatch eggs. But then there's also monkeys down the line, and I'm like, monkeys don't hatch eggs, so the fuck's it gonna be? Alright. Let's get this. Bail this crocodile out. He was sleeping behind a brick wall, and we had to wake his ass up. Come on, cocodrilos. There's so many. They like all waddle along, even the crocodiles. By the way, I think the crocodiles, they each count as 2, I want to say. Yeah, I think they each count as 2. But yeah, you do need a certain number. So it's kind of labeled up in the top left. You see, you need a certain number to take down said monsters. Okay, let's get Cocodrilos. One of you guys is like that. Let's go on over here. One of you guys. Bastard. Stay the fuck away from my egg. Shit! Okay. Well, let's retry that one. They move fairly fast too, so you don't really have to worry about like speed. Especially compared to the monsters, because those monsters go fairly fucking slow. Cocodrilos. Get the penguins, get the penguins. There's tons of penguins. Tons of them. You ain't getting close, bastard. Fuckface. He thought he was gonna make it there. No, motherfucker, you ain't making it there. Yay! Next level. Yeah, like I said, I got just about this far, but I totally forgot that I fucking had my microphone off. And then I was like, son of a bitch. And I ended up just restarting. But like I said, this game's fucking adorable. I mean, cute little penguins. They got little fuses on their head, and then there's crocodiles, and they seem all fucking serious. And then they just go boom, and I get points for going boom. I like it. It's fucking awesome. Oh, real quick, let's take care of this rat bastard. Okay, we took care of him. Who we gonna take care of next, huh, guys? I think we're gonna take care of him. Yeah. And then keep on going. Take care of these fuckers. Pick up more. It's like I'm picking up hitchhikers, and they're like all penguins. Is this an atom bomb for a toilet stop? I love that they're all sleeping too. It's like all the explosions going off is not waking them up at all. Oh, dude, that guy just got swarmed, and now they're all blowing up like little popcorns. Pop, 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 pop. I love it. Like even if they're not used to like take down people, they just go and blow up right after they're done. Anyways, they're just like, oh, this is where I was. So this is where the monkeys were, and they can blow up stuff with these. Ooh, ooh. And then they can also climb over shit, like this. So I'm gonna get in here, blow it up, and we get them all out, and then we just go down and swarm this motherfucker. Wow! Monkeys sound like they're all screaming, Jesus. I'd be screaming too if I was like a suicide bomber. That's essentially what they are, like realistically speaking. Aw, shit. Motherfuckers. Oh. I don't really need the crocodiles for this. Like, realistically speaking, the only time I need the crocodiles... Oh yeah, by the way, I need to do this. Blow that up. Get these monkeys. There's a ticket down here that I need to get. I found a penguin sticker! Oh, it's so adorable! I got a fucking penguin sticker! This is awesome. And then it's suicide bombers everywhere! Like, all joking aside, that's what this is. It's just suicide bombing. I really hope this isn't rated for kids. That'd be terrible. Oh my god. I'm having way too much fucking fun in this game. Jesus. Penguin, he's sleeping on the road. No, I don't need all of them exploded. And there's crocodiles. I don't really need the crocodiles at the moment. I need a monkey. There's the monkeys. They were right there. I'm like an idiot now. Oh, oh, oh. They're so cute. Uh-oh, Spadudios. They're coming from one way, and I don't know how to get past them. No, I just want to fucking go past. Come on. Oh, I could have gotten the crocodiles there. Well, I guess this is a quick way to get down anyways. I got the quick way down. I think I gotta save that one monkey, because I think he's kind of like my ticket to getting a lot more stuff. Okay, no, I don't need to save him. We got tons of crocodiles. That's all I need. Right? It's like crocodiles is all you need in life. All you need is love. Hey, monkey. Get that fucking... Oh, dude, there's a plunger there. Get it, monkey. Yeah. He got it. Now let's go blow these fuckers to sky high. Tan loco. These guys think they're gonna get that egg. They're not gonna get the egg. Suicide bombing! I probably shouldn't joke about that, but it's just kind of irresistible considering that's what's going on. Okay, how am I gonna protect this one? There's a sleeping monkey here. There's that. Where else is everybody? Oh, everybody's hiding behind shit. Uh-oh. That guy's getting dangerously close to my fucking egg. I will eat your heart. Come on. No, he's getting too close. Me no like. You bastard. No! Fuck! That is a weird fucking beast. How the hell am I gonna do this? Like all these bastards are asleep behind shit. It's like, wake the fuck up and save your fucking egg. No, don't blow up on those guys. We need to get rid of these rat bastards first. Hey, you, fuck off. Oh, god damn it. Son of a bitch. Deep breath, let's try this again. It's kind of hard to be mad at this game. I mean, it's fucking adorable. It's like trying to be mad at a kitty cat. You can't do it. Kitty cats are too cute. They're adorable. Have you ever tried staying mad at a kitty cat? It doesn't fucking work out. He's getting too close. I got this guy. They're getting too close to these fucking eggs. Does this be like farting? One more. Yes! Now I have time to get more people. Oh? How many more do I need? Uh-oh.